Probably my last time filling up my tank on this trip. Look at that. Woo! The last oil change on the road. Good morning, everybody. So yesterday was so great. Made a friend, did the craziest hike I've ever done. I'm still riding on that high right now, you guys. That was an experience that I will never forget. Ow. After Brienne and I got dinner last night, I got pulled over. Final stretch home. I almost made it without ever getting pulled over, and I got pulled over. My headlight's out. Well, it was out. So I went and got my oil changed and got a new headlight, which was really, really expensive. In the past, I've always been able to like have my dad do it. So that sucks. 'Tis what it is. I'm still in Zion National Park right now. I found an amazing campsite last night. I could potentially stay there again tonight, but if all goes according to plan, I won't be. But it was a great campsite. Last night got cold. Like, the nights get cold out here. It's been a long time since I've felt that. Went into town, did some errands, and now I'm headed back into the park to go hiking again. Yeah, all good things. I'm actually like, I'm really feeling good. I hit a really rough patch and I'm like back into the swing of things. Let's find an adventure. Just took the shuttle to the very last stop to, let's see, the Temple of Sinawaba. I like that word. So what I'm doing right now is the Riverside Walk. It's an easy trail, just over a mile one way, so 2.2 miles round trip. Follows a paved trail along the Virgin River, alongside a narrow canyon. And that is gonna take me to the Narrows, which is the trail I'm actually trying to get to. The Narrows, 9.4 miles round trip, but I'm not gonna be doing the whole thing. I'm just gonna do part of it. Considered strenuous. I'm going on a river walk, my friends. I'm walking a river. So this time around, I didn't mess up and forget my GoPro. I'm still so heartbroken that I didn't have it yesterday for Angel's Landing, but what are you gonna do? I've got it today, and I'm gonna do it. All right. got my lens wet. I dropped it in the water. Good thing it's my, oh no, I'm just recording a video. You're not even in the shot, you're good. Yeah, first thing to get wet on this hike. Ah. Wardrobe update. Fanny pack is now a purse. Very interesting hike, you guys. I don't know if I'm having fun, to be honest. Alright guys, I've been hiking the Narrows for just over an hour and I've decided I'm turning around. This is not really enjoyable for me. I don't really like it. And it gets about chest deep before you even get to like the narrow part. So I don't really think this is what I really want to be doing right now. I would maybe come back and do it in the future with friends or with different clothes on and maybe less gear, but even still this isn't my style. I don't like it. So onward back we go. We will find a new hike to take. This walking stick served me well, and now another person can use it. Great system. Free rentals. Okay, I'm super tired. I'm really tired. But I really want to make the most of my time here and I don't want to stay another day. So I'm making myself do the Lower Emeralds Pool Trail. It's pretty easy. It takes about an hour. It does attach to another pool called the Upper Emerald Pool, believe it or not. But I am not going to be doing the full thing, just so I can get out of here at a decent time today. So let's go find some emerald water. Okay. one more hike. Oh, I'm not going the right way. Oh, these are bathrooms. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Heck yeah. Okay, one more hike of the evening, Canyon Overlook Trail. It's a half-mile in, half-mile out. Really, really easy, gorgeous payoff. And can we just talk about that tunnel I just drove through? That was amazing. Good end to a beautiful stay at Zion National Park, you guys. Oh my God. Right now,
1 mile. 1 mile. This is all we do. Except it. Oh, this isn't scary.
So I came up here to have a nice, quiet, peaceful sunset hike, slow-paced and chill. I'm literally running away from all these medical students. There's like a group of like 50 of them. They have beers. They're on another level. Like, I don't know if I'm on this level, but like, look at all of them. There's a shit ton. So different, but like, they're great. They're fine. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Zion is an absolutely wonderful park and I had a really great time. Still high on life from Angel's Landing, I'm just saying. Holy crap. I'm gonna go drive to a dispersed campsite up the road a little bit. It's gonna be dark by the time I get there, so I'm just gonna say goodnight and I'll see you guys really soon. Love ya.